I'm still in the learning process, but I also have a small business, and I thought having a small business was the best way to teach myself about what it means to have a small business from the individual side, from the proprietor's side of things. If you're constantly learning in the position you're in a good position. I think there's always room to learn, there's always room to grow. If you find yourself at a standstill, it's time to take on the next challenge. I love camping. We are we're an outdoor family, and my favorite thing about Colorado Springs is you can get out and there is so much to do. Best support is from the team at work and from home. They know that we all work as a team, whether it's personal or at work, and we do things together, and when we need to help each other out, that's what they do and that's what they provide. To be in this position and be considered a woman of influence is very humbling, especially when I've seen the past award winners, the winners this year. I feel like I have so much further to go and so much more to learn, and so many more ways that I could influence others.